Hey guys, welcome back. Today we're going to do something different, and this video is really going to be about me testing out this new camera. So I got a new camera here. It's a GoPro Hero 10 Black, and I got it because the old camera went for a swim in the washing machine, and it no longer works. So in this video, I am going to assemble this heat lamp. Fall is coming. It is mid-August. It's still summer, very hot, but eventually it'll be September and October, and might get some use out of this heat lamp. So yeah, I'm going to put the camera on the mount, and I'm going to get to assembling it. And really, you can let me know in the comments how the video is. It should be in 4K. So there's that, and I just want to see how the quality is compared to, the old camera and the phone and all of that. So let's get to it. You get the idea. Oh, your battery died. So we got through, not sure how long that is. I'll know how much I filmed when I go back and look at the footage and edit it. But we almost got to the end on one battery. Not quite. That's alright. And right now it's kind of low light out here. The sun is setting. So I'm not sure how this is going to turn out, but let's see. I'm not sure if you caught that, but I put the cylinder in. I have not hooked up the gas yet, so let's do that. Alright, we got the gas on. Let's see if it will light up. Let's see. Maybe I'll bring you over here. Let's see, I think you're supposed to turn this to high. How about that? Works. Alright guys, thanks for joining me on this one. Thanks for helping me test out this camera and then assemble this heat lamp. I'm holding the camera here, it's not attached to anything. I have the auto stabilization on. I don't know how good a job it does, the shaky cam and all of that. So let's see. I'm kind of shaking the cam right now. I'm wiggling it. So we'll see how good that does. Anyway, thanks for joining me. If you like these videos, be sure to like, subscribe, comment, and check out some of my other videos. I will see you next time.